Every single day in this country, millions of people wake up chasing something. A dream, a purpose, a reason to keep going. And yet, somewhere in between the rush, the noise, and the stress, we forget one simple truth. You are not your past. You are not your failures. You are not your circumstances. You are the author of your story, and it's time to pick up the pen and start writing again. Because no matter where you are right now, your story isn't over. Let's be honest, life gets heavy. Bills pile up. Dreams get blurry. People you trusted walk away, and you start to believe that maybe, just maybe, you're not meant to win. But here's the truth. Everyone who ever made it once felt exactly like you do. Steve Jobs got fired from his own company. J.K. Rowling was broke and rejected 12 times before Harry Potter became real. Michael Jordan didn't make his high school basketball team. They all heard no. They all failed, but they didn't quit. That, right there, is the difference between winners and everyone else. There will come a moment when life hits you so hard you can't breathe. When you lose someone, lose a job, lose faith. That's the moment that defines you. You can stay down, or you can stand up, broken, bleeding, shaking, and say, "This is not how my story ends." Because every scar you carry is proof you survived something that was meant to destroy you. Pain isn't your enemy. Pain is your teacher. And every lesson it gives becomes the armor you'll wear for the rest of your life. In this country, in this world, you always have a choice: to complain or to create, to give up or to grow, to be a victim or to be victorious. And that choice doesn't happen once in a lifetime. It happens every single day. When that alarm clock rings, when someone doubts you, when life feels unfair, that's when you decide who you really are. You don't need anyone's permission to rise. You don't need anyone's approval to dream. You just need to start. This is the land where ordinary people do extraordinary things. Where a kid from Brooklyn can build an empire. Where a single mom can change the world from her living room. Where failure isn't the end, it's the first chapter of something greater. That's what America has always been about. Not perfection, but possibility. We fall, we fight, we rise again. And we keep moving forward, no matter how hard it gets. Because deep down, we know the dream only dies when you do. So listen to me. If you're tired, rest, but you don't dare quit. If you've fallen, get back up. If you failed, try again. If you lost, rebuild. Because your story, it's not finished. It's just waiting for your next chapter. You've got the strength. You've got the heart. You've got the fire. So get up, stand tall, and rewrite your story one brave decision at a time. The greatest chapters in history were written by people who refused to give up. Be one of them.